How to fix OneDrive stuck on processing changes. If your OneDrive icon has been spinning in circles, completely stuck on processing changes for hours or even days, it is incredibly annoying. Your files are trapped in limbo, and it completely stalls your workflow. Usually this doesn't mean your data is broken, the app is just choking on a tiny temporary background file, or its internal database got caught in a loop. So let's unfreeze the engine and get you unstuck. Right, so the absolute fastest way to force OneDrive to look at its sync queue again is to give the connection a quick shock. Move your mouse down to the bottom right corner of your screen and then click on the cloud drive icon. So it's going to be this one right over here. And then guys, when this pops up, click on this help and settings icon and then pause your syncing, say for 2 hours. Wait about 10 seconds, go right back to that same gear menu and click resume syncing. Here, resume. As you can see, it's going to sign you in again. If it stays stuck after turning back on, close any Microsoft Word, Excel or PowerPoint files you currently have open. Office apps create hidden temporary files that start with a $sign or a tilde character, and if an app crashes, that temporary file stays locked in your directory, completely blocking OneDrive from processing anything else behind it. Now guys, one more fix. Open up your app where you can search the files, find OneDrive.exe, copy as path, press Windows R to bring this window up, paste what you copied, remove the quotation marks, press / and reset, and press OK. And it will flush itself, delete temporary files, nothing from your own files will be deleted of course, and everything should be set back on track. It will run a quick scan and resolve the block, giving you all your permissions back. Enjoy the guide. Thank you for watching.